Welcome back to AI Brief, your shortcut to all things AI. I'm Amin,
And I'm Leah.
ready to dive into the latest AI news.
Let's go.
Today, we're looking at a new player in the AGI race.
Microsoft's making AI more accessible.
And get this, someone wants to bring back extinct species.
A lot to unpack.
First up, the AGI world's got a new lab shaking things up, François Chollet.
You mean the creator of Keras?
That's the one. He launched Nvidia Lab with a fresh take on AGI.
Chollet's a big name in AI, so this is a big deal.
So what's Nvidia's angle?
They're combining deep learning with program synthesis, aiming for AI that learns like we do.
Different from what the other big AGI players are doing.
Yeah, Chollet thinks training AI with massive datasets is holding it back.
So Nvidia is going for a more streamlined, program-driven approach.
Exact.
Can they actually compete with companies like OpenAI?
It's early, but Nvidia's approach and Cholet's expertise make them one to watch.
Next up, Microsoft's making big moves to make their AI assistant more accessible.
They just launched Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat.
That's the free entry-level version, right?
Yep. Pretty clever move. They're offering powerful AI tools for free.
But they still have premium features for paid users.
Right. The free version of Copilot Chat has GPT-4 powered chat
Web knowledge access, too.
and image and code generation.
They're also adding custom AI agents that can automate tasks.
You can pay for those as you go or with a monthly subscription.
These agents are designed to be pretty versatile.
They can tap into a lot of different knowledge sources and do all sorts of actions.
Sounds useful for individuals and organizations.
Absolutely.
Seems like Microsoft wants its AI assistant to be a core part of how we use information and get things done.
It does. And with this free tier, they're hoping to attract more users.
Which puts them in direct competition with Google's Gemini.
This battle for AI assistant dominance is going to be interesting to follow.
Now for something totally different, AI video generation.
Luma Labs just unveiled Ray 2.
Their next-generation AI video model.
It can generate some really realistic video clips just from text prompts.
They're talking about advanced motion physics, understanding realistic water physics.
It's mind-blowing how far AI video generation has come.
The detail and realism in these videos is incredible.
It really shows how AI is starting to understand how things work in the real world.
A while back, AI making realistic videos seems like a distant future. Now we're seeing huge advancements all the time.
It was just recently we saw the launch of Veo 2, which was a big leap forward.
And now Luma Labs is pushing things even further with Ray 2.
This opens up so many creative possibilities. Imagine using AI to generate scenes for movies.
Or personalized education content.
Or even designing virtual worlds.
And it's not just the quality of the video that's impressive.
Luma Labs is making these tools more accessible.
They're adding editing features and API access soon.
That'll give creators and developers more precision and control over AI-generated video.
Speaking of making things more accessible, Alphabet's making their AI tools more affordable.
They just said their whole suite of AI tools for Workspace will be free.
That includes Gmail summaries and their Gemini chatbot.
A bold move making such powerful tools free.
Though they did say paid plans are going up in price.
$2 per user.
Seems like they're trying to attract new users with the free tier.
While acknowledging the value of their premium features for power users.
A strategic move to make AI more accessible and still make money.
Now for something really out there.
Colossal biosciences.
They just raised $200 million to bring back extinct species.
You mean like Jurassic Park?
Kinda. They're serious about using AI and biotech to bring back the woolly mammoth.
The Tasmanian tiger.
Even the dodo bird.
It's hard to believe we could see those animals again.
Colossal Biosciences is combining cutting-edge technologies to make it happen.
AI, computational biology, genetic engineering.
They're using AI to analyze ancient genomes, identify key traits, and guide the modification of DNA.
This is huge. How are they doing so far?
For the woolly mammoth, they've sequenced the genome, and they're working on engineering Asian elephants with mammoth genes.
To adapt them to cold climates?
Exactly.
What about the Tasmanian tiger and the dodo?
For the Tasmanian tiger, they've mapped the genome and extracted viable DNA.
Cloning's already underway.
And for the dodo, they've sequenced the genome, identified key traits, and are working on modifying pigeon DNA with dodo traits.
It's amazing to think we might see these animals walking around again.
It really shows the power of science and tech, especially AI, to reshape our world.
That's wild.
Right,
So
yeah.
much potential there. But let's shift gears and talk about some other AI developments.
There's a lot happening. Sakana AI is making waves with their new language model, Transformer 2.
Transformer Squared. That sounds pretty
It's
intense.
designed to be self-adaptive,
Self-adaptive.
meaning it can adjust its structure for different tasks.
Oh, interesting.
So it can outperform traditional models while using fewer parameters.
More efficient and more powerful.
Exactly. It's a big step forward in how we build and use language models.
Google's partnering with the Associated Press?
Yeah, they'll be feeding real-time news data into their Gemini AI assistant.
So Gemini users will have access to up-to-the-minute news.
Right through the assistant, it's their first big partnership with a news publisher.
Seems like AI is becoming a bigger part of how we consume information.
Definitely. It raises questions about AI's role in curating news.
For sure. And OpenAI is expanding its partnership with Axios.
They're funding 4 new local newsrooms
Wait, what?
that will be integrated with ChatGPT and other AI tools.
Local newsrooms using AI.
It's an experiment to see how AI can support local journalism.
Now let's talk AI security. Cisco just announced a new platform, AI Defense.
It addresses the growing security concerns around AI.
Network-level protection to prevent unauthorized access and data leaks.
With AI becoming so common, security is more important than ever.
Absolutely. Cisco's AI Defense shows that companies are taking these risks seriously.
Speaking of pushing the limits, Alphabet's experimental version of Gemini hit a milestone.
What happened?
It's the first AI that can analyze multiple video streams and static images at the same time.
That's incredible. What could that be used for?
So many things. Think about real-time analysis of security footage.
Or improving medical imaging.
Or even more immersive gaming experiences.
Now for LinkedIn. They're launching 2 new AI-powered features.
Jobs Match and an AI agent for businesses.
Jobs Match, what's that?
It uses AI to recommend relevant job openings.
Oh, like a matchmaking service for jobs.
And the AI agent helps businesses scan and filter resumes.
So AI is helping both job seekers and employers.
Yep. It's all about personalizing and streamlining the job search and hiring process.
What about Wise? They make those affordable security cameras. Are they doing anything with AI?
Their cameras can now use AI to analyze and summarize footage.
So you don't have to watch hours of video.
Right. It might tell you a delivery driver wearing a blue hat left a package on your doorstep at 2:38 p.m.
That's useful, like having an AI assistant watching things for you.
And get this, researchers in Italy are using AI to break speed records.
How are they doing that?
They developed an AI driving model that controls a Maserati.
A Maserati.
They had it going 177 miles per hour, and they want to set a new speed record.
That's amazing. It shows how far AI has come in controlling complex systems.
There's also been some interesting funding rounds. Anatomy raised $19 million for their AI healthcare platform.
Healthcare seems to be a big area for AI development.
It has so much potential to improve patient care diagnostics, drug discovery. And speaking of drug discovery, Synthesia raised a lot of funding.
That's Synthesia.
They have an AI model that can turn documents into realistic videos.
Wow, what would you use that for?
Training, marketing, communication, all sorts of things.
So AI is finding its way into almost everything.
Let's wrap things up with a look at some trending AI tools.
Okay, what have we got?
First up, Minimax Era 1, an open-source language model assistant.
What's special about it?
It has an ultra-long context.
So it can remember more information.
And process more complex topics, makes it great for in-depth tasks.
What else is there?
If you're a ChatGPT fan but need to get organized, there's ChatGPT Tasks.
Oh yeah, I've heard of that one.
It lets you schedule tasks and set reminders right in ChatGPT.
So you don't forget those to-dos?
Exactly. Then we have Dry Merge. If you want to take task automation even further.
What is that one?
It's a platform for building AI agents.
So they can work for you 24/7.
Automating all those repetitive tasks we all hate.
An army of AI at your service. Sounds pretty good.
For fitness fans, there's Master of Push-Ups.
AI for push-ups.
It's an AI vision app that basically makes your phone a personal trainer
So it uses your phone's camera?
to track your form and count reps.
Like an AI gym buddy. I like it.
Then we have Kokoro.
Kokoro.
It's an open-source text-to-speech app with tons of voices and languages.
So I can turn any text into audio.
Perfect for videos, podcasts, anything that needs a voice.
Makes sense. What else is on your list?
For content creators, there's Spreadify.
Spreadify. What does that do?
Helps you plan, schedule, and optimize your content with AI.
That's a content creator's dream.
And for sales, there's Substrata.
Okay, now you've got my attention.
It analyzes how people interact in real time.
So it can help you sell better?
And close more deals. It's like having an AI sales coach.
Pretty cool. What else have you got?
For entrepreneurs, there's Founder Odyssey.
Yeah, that sounds useful.
It uses AI to help you validate product ideas.
So you can get feedback before you invest too much.
Exactly, like an AI mentor for startups.
I like it. And for those who want to make sure they're getting the right information, there's FactSnap.
It's an AI fact-checking tool.
In today's world, a tool like that is more important than ever.
You can verify information as you browse the web.
Double-check those claims before you share them.
Exactly. We also have Media Flows,
What's that?
a low-code platform for automating visual media workflows.
So it helps with video and image editing.
It can be a huge time saver. And last but not least, for all the investors out there, there's Hoops AI.
Let's hear about it
It provides real-time trading insights using AI,
to help you make better investment decisions.
like having an AI financial advisor.
We covered so much ground today, from AGI and AI video generation to de-extinction and all these cool AI tools.
It's amazing to see how AI is changing everything.
And we're just getting started.
That's for sure. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Be sure to subscribe to AI Brief so you don't miss our next deep dive.
And tell your friends about the show.
We'll see you in the next episode.